Report home.
Hey. I'm back. The fact of the matter is that everybody was being stupid, so I decided to get off campus. I'm at a secret location untainted by civilization. That's a tree behind me. They call it nature. I think I saw it on TV once. Anyway, here's a quick update of last week.
Yeah!
And also, Ma, thank you for the cookies. You helped me discover the best pickup line ever. You ladies want some fresh pastry? It works every time. Seriously. But seriously, thank you for the care package. The rest of you would do well to follow suit. I'm gonna go now because this creepy baby keeps yelling at me. And also because talking to your computer in the middle of a park makes you look really cool. Stop looking at me, jogger.